How to find new tokens on your Pi Launchpad. So guys, let's dive right into the video. In this video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how you can actually find new tokens in your Pi Launchpad. So right here is my Pi browser. So the first step you need to take here on your Pi browser like this is to go to the Launchpad option right here. You can see that right here on the screen. So when you go to the Launchpad section like this, you just need to allow it to load up like this. So once you do that, looking right here on the screen, it says here at the top corner of the screen here, you can see this notification there which says Pi Launchpad is currently in testing phase. It uses test Pi and all current launches are test tokens that will never be released in the mainnet, which actually means that the Launchpad is not currently working on the mainnet. So going back to the home page here on our Pi wallet, the next step you need to take in order for you to be able to find your new tokens on your Pi Launchpad is to go ahead and click on wallet like this. Once you do that, you can actually use your passphrase in order to log into your wallet, or you can use your fingerprint if you have actually enabled your fingerprints. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and input my fingerprints in order to open my Pi wallet. So right here at the top of the screen as well, you can see where it says mainnet. If you click on that like this, you are going to be able to expand the section and you're going to be able to see two options right here which says Pi mainnet and Pi testnet. So you just need to switch to Pi testnet like this. So remember, the Launchpad only works on the Pi testnet. So in order for you to actually see and find new tokens on Pi Launchpad, this is what you can actually do. Looking right here on the screen, you can see where it says tokens at the bottom of the screen right here on your Pi testnet. So if you click on tokens like this, you're going to see my tokens. You can see more tokens. You can see all of this. So you can now go ahead and search for tokens. You can now go ahead and search for any new tokens and you'll be able to add it right there. You can actually click on this plus button right here and you're going to see more tokens. You can see more tokens right here. So you can actually enable any of them that you want to use. So let's say you want to use this one right here, which is pets. So you just need to go ahead and click on confirm changes. Meanwhile, you know that this is a test Pi and this is not actually real money. So you just need to go ahead and click on confirm changes like this. So with that being done, you've been able to enable this token. So you can actually click on swap token and or order on DEX and swap the token if you want to swap the token, or you can actually click on order on X and order on X with the token. So this is how simple it is for you to find new tokens on your Pi Launchpad. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. For more crypto and Pi tutorials like this, do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. Don't forget to like this video. See you in the next one.